Hi everyone, we're right at somebody's house in Alveston. So we're gonna take a nature walk. Alicia, and Icy.
Nature walk. Alicia,
She's making her own video.
Ketura, and Alicia.
So it's me, Alicia, and Alicia. So we're all gonna take a nature walk. See, we have peas and different thorns and so.
Well,
You might think Montserrat is a beautiful place, and of course it is.
we're gonna put this on
So,
Facebook.
on YouTube. I put it on YouTube.
On YouTube. YouTube.
You put yours on Facebook and put it on YouTube.
That
So-
is
This is a house that is building,
that.
and
has
these
a
are people's
portion
house. So right now we're just walking on the road. This is an abandoned crime scene. Do not cross. It says. So what I'm going to show you right now is the beautiful pools we have in Montserrat. This is a beautiful house. That house up there has a pool, as you see, right? And this house here has a beautiful pool. Let me zoom in. I got it zoomed in. That's the pool. So we're gonna go back up the road now, since we can't go too far.
Yes, we could go a bit more far.
So
Go to the hibiscus farm.
hibiscus.
Okay. Don't even say hibiscus. It doesn't matter.
Hibiscus.
At least just say hibiscus. At least be close.
At least.
At least say hibiscus.
This is a coconut.
A raw coconut. That is very old.
That house up there has a pool.
That house up there has a pool.
So we're gonna go back up the road now. We're not following her. So
We don't know what the Lord said.
we're going back up the hill. It's very shaky. As you see, it looks like it's gonna rain, but I don't know. Up in the mountains, it looks foggy. So right now we're in Alveston.
Take a closer look at Salem.
Right now the place is so beautiful and sunny.
When you
You're gonna
look back,
wish you were down here in Montserrat.
you'll see that the volcano looks very bad. Bad. Yeah. That's what I want to say. Now, next
The
time
volcano is right now calming down.
the volcano is right now calming down.
I don't think it will.
They say that
They said
It
that
won't
it's
be
calmed down.
this over here is ash.
No, it isn't.
That is ash.
It's sand.
Ash.
And if it was ash, you wouldn't touch it because it could give you a rash. Right now there's a truck coming. I'm going to ease off the road. These beautiful things. So we're going to have to say bye now. When we get into the shade.
I'm gonna make another video when we
Right.
get to the truck.
So when we're here now, we're at the bench. So thanks for watching and bye.